Hi students, how are you all? Hope all are fine and safe at your home. In the last class we have studied a topic called waxing and waning of the moon. As I have already explained you in the Google Meet, this topic was very simple. What you have to do? You have to do only two steps. The first one is you have to click on search window tool and search for moon. That is the first step, and you zoom in to view the moon clearly. Next, step 2, you have to click on date and time window tool to adjust the date. So keep on changing the date, then you can see the change in moon. Okay, so the moon will be a full moon, then you keep on changing the date, then moon will become a half moon, then again you keep on changing the date, it will become a quarter moon, and so on. It will keep on changing. Okay, so I think that topic is very clear to you. Now in today's class we are going to discuss the waxing and waning of a planet. That is the waxing and waning of Venus. In your textbook, page number 55, there is a section called Let Us Assess. In that section, the third question. Please read out, my dear students, the third question. Yes, search for Venus in stellarium. First we need to search for Venus in stellarium. Next, what you have to do? Move a month forward, not the date, a month forward, to display the waxing and waning of Venus. Okay, so here what you have to do? First we need to search for Venus and you just zoom in and you can watch the Venus very clearly. Next, what we have to do? Move a month forward. Okay, here it is saying that move a month forward. In case of moon, it was not a month, we are changing the date, the day. That is the difference. Please understand, my dear students. In case of moon, we are changing the date. Okay, here we are changing the month. Okay, so in case of moon we are changing the day, so in case of Venus we are changing the month. Okay, so I will show it clearly in Stellarium software. You just watch the video. Okay, so listen, my dear students. So how to open Stellarium? Yes, at the top left corner you can see application, inside that education, and inside that you click on Stellarium. Now this is a Stellarium window. Here I am going to search for Venus. So at the left side you can see the tools. Click on search window tool. The first step, click on search window tool, and here in the search box you type Venus. Okay, and you press this search button. Now you can see this is Venus. Please zoom in to watch the Venus planet very clearly. So to zoom in, what we have to do? Yes, you have to use the scroll wheel of your mouse. So I am going to use that. So if you are zooming in, you can see the Venus very clearly. Now the second step, you have to click on date and time window tool. At the left side toolbar you can see the date and time window tool. Click on that. Now you can adjust the date. So here what you have to do, yes, we need to change the month. So this is year, this is month, and this is date. So I am going to change this month. Okay, so I am going to change this month. So this is year, this is month, and this is day. So here I am going to change the month, this one. So at the top you can see a small triangle. Click on that. So while I am changing the month, you just observe the Venus. Okay, I am changing the month here. You just observe the Venus. What change is occurring in Venus. So again I am going to change the month. Now it is 2. I am going to make it 3. So you just look the Venus. Okay, here I am going to change to 4, 5, 6th month. So you can observe the change in Venus, right? It is getting darker from one side. 7, 8th month. Okay, you just observe the Venus. Okay, here this side is getting darker. Again I am going to change the date to 9. Change the month to 9 month. So again you observe, yes, now almost half of the portion is getting darker. Okay, now again I am going to change the month. Okay, it's getting darker. Almost all the portion is getting darker. Only few portion remain. Okay, I'm going to increase the date. Sorry, not the date, the month again. Now it is a complete dark. The Venus is complete dark. Again you change the month. Yes, you can observe the change here in Venus. Again one more month. Almost half of the portion. Again I am going to change the month. Now it is 3. I am going to make it 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, now it is almost, yes, full portion. Okay, so this is waxing and waning of Venus. Like our moon, here we have studied about the waxing and waning of Venus. So what is the difference? If you are looking for the waxing and waning of moon, we need to change the day. Here is the day. If you are looking for the waxing and waning of Venus, then we need to change the month, not the day, the month. We need to change the month, the middle one. Okay students, so what we have studied today? Yes, we have studied the waxing and waning of Venus. So first step, we need to search for Venus using search window tool. Second step, we need to click on date and time window tool and you change the month. That is very important. Change the month. Then you can observe the waxing and waning of Venus very clearly. So hope all are clear about this. So do one thing, I'll give you the notes. So I will be giving notes only for waxing and waning of moon. So what you have to do as a homework, you have to write waxing and waning of Venus in your notebook, and I will check it in the next Google Meet session. So don't forget, you have to write as a homework the waxing and waning of Venus. You have to write down the steps in your notebook. I will check in the next Google Meet class. So hope all are clear about today's class. Thank you very much, my dear students.